Hello creators, I'm Ben Tolson from Podia, and today I'm excited to walk you through everything Podia has to offer and help you decide which plan is right for you. First, let's talk about the Mover plan. If you've been thinking about creating an online course or digital download for the first time, the Mover plan could be the perfect fit. At $39 per month or $390 per year, it's an affordable option that includes everything you need to host and sell your digital products so you can focus on growing your audience. This plan features unlimited everything, zero transaction fees, free migrations, and the ability to add teammates. You get marketing tools like a customizable website, email marketing that lets you send up to 5,000 recipients per month, and messaging so you can interact in real time with your customers. Now let's talk about the Shaker plan. The Shaker plan offers everything in the Mover plan, plus powerful marketing tools and additional products to meet your needs. With the Shaker plan, you can let your biggest fans market for you with an affiliate management tool that allows you to set custom commissions for all of your products and pays your affiliates automatically. The Shaker plan lets you embed buy buttons for your digital products on your own website, so you have more control over the customer experience. Also, you can send up to 15,000 monthly emails with email marketing. You can also offer coaching, a feature that automatically links with your SavvyCal, Calendly, Acuity, or You Can Book Me calendars, allowing your customers to easily schedule a coaching session with you right from your Podia site. Webinar products also get an upgrade with a Zoom integration that works seamlessly with your Zoom account. Finally, let's talk about our Earthquaker plan. Our goal at Podia is to be the only platform a creator needs to go from first sale to full scale. And that's why we're thrilled to offer Earthquaker. Earthquaker includes 5 team member seats at no additional cost and access to a suite of advanced benefits designed to help you save time and increase revenue. These benefits include a dedicated account manager whose job is to know your business and ensure that your support requests are handled by the same contact every time. The option to remove Podia branding from your site. The ability to send emails to up to 50,000 recipients per month. And perhaps most valuable of all, a monthly community call with other Earthquaker creators where your peers and experts from Podia share tips, questions, and lessons learned in the later stages of business. When you sign up for or upgrade to an Earthquaker account, your dedicated account manager will reach out to you to schedule a one-on-one Zoom call. They'll walk you through any areas of Podia you might need help with and provide answers to any questions you might have about your business. Not only will you get world-class customer support, but you'll always work with the same support contact who will understand your business's specific needs. If you're ready to try Podia, you can sign up for a 14-day free trial at podia.com/signup. When you sign up today, you'll get access to all of our core features, website, email marketing, messaging, affiliates, and embeddable buy buttons. You can start selling online courses, digital downloads, and webinars right away for free and with zero transaction fees. And of course, our famous customer support team is waiting and eager to help you get up and running for your 14-day free trial. So visit podia.com/signup and let us help you make a living selling products and building a community around what you love. If you have any questions, reach out to us via live chat or email hello@podia.com so we can help you pick the best plan for you.